Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Eevee Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Eevee Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners like this, and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'm going to fold it again. Now, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. Now, our next step is to draw the friendship ball on here. So you can just draw a circle, or I'm just going to trace this little paint palette that I have. So I'm going to place this in the middle, and I'm going to go ahead and trace it. So I'm going to just go ahead and trace right around the top. And then I'm going to trace right around the bottom. Now, in the middle here, I want to make the button for the ball. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a half circle. Then I'm going to draw another half circle right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line across. I'm going to make a little sad face here. And then I'll draw another line across here. I'm going to draw a line across here. I'm going to make a smiley face. And then I'm going to draw a line across here. Now, to turn this into a friendship ball, we're going to add some of the details. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a circle on the top right here. Then I'm going to make some teardrop shapes on here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that curves around and comes to here. And then I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to curve this around and bring it to here. I'll do the same thing over here. Just going to curve this around and bring it to here. Same thing, curve this around and bring it to here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our friendship ball. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then I'll draw a line that comes up on each side. Next, I'll draw a little line down here on each side, and a little line up here on each side. Next, we're just going to make a line that comes right across here, and then I'll make a line that comes right across here too. Now inside of here, we want to draw Eevee. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up. Then I'm going to make some little points right across here. So I'm going to draw some little points across here for the fur. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here. And then it's going to come back down for the big ear. I'll do another one here. I'm going to bring this line up to a point, come out, and then back in. Next, I'm going to curve this line around. I'm going to bring it up and into here. I'm going to make two little points at the bottom of each ear. And then I'm just going to kind of redraw the inside part of the ear. So I'm just kind of following that shape of the ear. Now inside of here, let's make the face. So I'm going to start here at the eyes. I'm going to make a nice, big, tall oval shape on each side. Then I'm going to make a nice big curve across the bottom. I'm going to draw a little circle at the top of each one. Then I'm going to make a big circle inside here for the pupil, and I'm going to color that in. Then I'll make another little curved line at the bottom. I'll make a little line above each eye. And then we'll make a little dot for the nose. Draw a line that's going to come up and down, and then down and up. Now for the fur, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down on each side. Then I'm going to bring it down again with another line. And then I'm going to make a couple little lines come up here. Then I'm going to draw a little line down on each side with another little bump for the back legs. Next, I'm going to draw a big line that's going to come up here with a couple points, and then I'm just going to bring it all the way back for the big tail. I'll put a couple little pointy lines across here. Then I'm going to make a couple lines here and a couple little bumps. Now when we have it all folded up, we have our little friendship ball. And then once it's open, you can see that we have Eevee popping out of there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.